In this video, I will show you how to rename a SharePoint site. Start by opening the SharePoint site you want to rename. Once you're on the site, click on the gear icon located at the upper right side of your screen. This is going to display several options. From here, select Site Information. On the Site Information page, you'll see the current name of your site. Click on the Name field and enter the new name you want to use. Once you've entered the new name, click on the Save button to apply the changes. After saving, you'll notice that the site name displayed on the left side of your screen updates immediately. However, renaming the site does not automatically update the URL. The URL will still reflect the old site name. To update the URL as well, you'll need access to the Microsoft Admin Center. Open the Admin Center and navigate to the SharePoint section under the left-hand menu. Click on Active Sites to view a list of all your SharePoint sites. Locate the site you renamed and click on it to open its settings. Scroll down to the Site Address section and click on Edit. Enter the new site name in the address field and click Save. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to update the site name. Since you've already renamed the site, click No. It may take up to 10 minutes for the URL to update. Once the URL updates, refresh your SharePoint site to see the changes. Note that there are certain conditions under which the URL may not update. For example, if the publishing feature is activated on your site, or if the site contains more than 15 million documents, the URL will remain unchanged. In such cases, you'll need to deactivate the publishing feature or reduce the number of documents to enable the URL update.